So I wanted to make a video that shows you my way of fixing the grinding noise with the Xbox. Here, my problem was that the magnet came off, and we fixed the magnet. So the magnet is right there. And we fixed the magnet, and then after the magnet was fixed, it started grinding. So we have tried the rubber band method, as you can see. We tried cleaning it. It played movies. See, there's a Superman movie. It played the movie, but it wouldn't play any of our Xbox games. So I didn't really want to mess with the laser too much, but like I said, we tried different methods that we saw on YouTube, and the best method that we could come up with is I thought maybe when I glued the magnet back in, it just didn't set right. You know, maybe there was a difference in the space between the laser and the disc. So what I did was I made this little piece of paper here, and the paper is just poster board or cardstock. You can make it out of a Christmas card, whatever. It was just poster board. But anyway, here's how I made it. I took a quarter, and as you can see, the space underneath it is just slightly bigger than a quarter. So I took a quarter and I drew a line around the quarter, and where the black line is, I cut on the outside of the black line, so that gave it that extra space. Now, the space in the center is just like an ink cap, and mine was a little Sharpie, you know, the fine print Sharpie. But I took that and just drew the line around it. But it doesn't matter if it's perfect or not, as long as it's close to center. After you do that, what you're going to do is start hole punching. And when you hole punch this, it's going to be too small to fit over the magnet and the black part underneath the magnet. So you're just going to keep hole punching and until it fits, a nice snug fit. As you can see, I hole punched a little bit too much right there, but it's fine because it created a couple edges for them to get stuck underneath this little black part, so the paper is not going to go anywhere. So I'm going to show you real quick without the paper. See, that's all the paper is right there. It's that right there, but it was cut out. So that's all it is. Now, without the paper, I'm going to show you the movie, and if that can get turned on real quick. So here's the movie. Plays just fine. And that's without the paper. And you're going to see it's going to play for you no problem. Eventually. Well, it played earlier. Oh. Huh. Hey bud, push play game on the controller, or play DVD. Okay, see, there you go. Earlier we didn't have to push play DVD. Anyway, so there you go. It's playing. It's working great. So now I'm going to show you with the game. And we're going to do an older game that we don't play anymore because we don't want it scratched up too much. And you'll see, just that little bit, it plays the movie, won't play the game. So I got to thinking that when I put the magnet in, there was a difference in the space, and that's what causes it. So I'm just going to eject that real quick. And we're going to put our little piece of paper back in there, and like I said, just stick it on that little black disc. And the little edges that the hole punch left, I'm just shoving those underneath the edge of the black thing. And then once that's on, we're going to take our game again, same game, and put it on there, and it should play. See, there's no scratching noises or anything. The screen says that it's reading, and there you go. It's going to play the game.
And my mom is the smartest mom.
Alright, hush. Okay, so there you go. It's working. I never took an Xbox apart before. I went on YouTube and found some great videos. I just couldn't find the video that would help me with my problem. I tried all the different options that were out there. Like I said, I tried the rubber band, I tried cleaning the laser. There's some screws behind the laser. I tried adjusting those, which turned out to be impossible. You can see I have, you know, a million screwdrivers out here. But anyway, that was my solution, and I hope it helps you. If I didn't have to glue anything in, I didn't have to change anything permanently. If that paper comes undone someday, I know how to redo it, and so I hope it helps.